exciting. I'm going to Tammy Taylor the Buzz. They have Moy's Beauty Brow and Lash Bar. They like literally excel in microblading and microshading. She is the queen of microblading. So I'm gonna get mine done there. It is my first time. I'm nervous and excited because I mean it is a blade going through my eyebrows. I know I'm sounding dramatic, but I'm not a liker of pain. I've got a very low threshold of pain. Like needles freak me out. So the thought of me actually going for this it almost feels to me like I'm going for a tattoo, and that like literally scares the life out of me. But I'm gonna be calm because we grew up and they told us suffer for beauty when they pulled our hairs for extreme hairstyles. So it's gonna be one of those suffer for beauty little moments that I grew up having to endure. Because I love nice things, and I love microblading and microshading on people, and I've always wondered how it'd look on me. And today I'm finally going for one, and I'm really excited with the nerves intertwined. So yeah, let's go ahead. Right now I'm still driving to that side. I'm coming from mainland side, driving all the way to Sandton. That's how much I love her. But you know what, I am in Joburg, and I told her this would probably be the best time for me to do so, because whenever I'm in Joburg it's always super busy. So now that I do have a free day, I thought let me just go out there and get this thing done. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and yeah, I'll check you when I am there. Just arrived at the Buzz shopping center, and there we have it, Tammy Taylor. I am here and finally arrived. I am being prepped for the microblading. This is, sorry, I forgot to introduce you.
This is Guys, I'm the receptionist here.
She is Guys, a beautiful warm welcome that I got here. So she is going to?
I'm going to clean your brow area and then to apply numbing cream so that you don't feel pain.
Okay, so you guys heard that. Okay, you can go ahead. I look like a bit of a Popeye, but I'll look pretty as soon as I'm done, I'm sure. Thank you, Susie. I'm super nervous about it, but I'll try and vlog the process of it as well, so that you guys can see the whole process of what goes down when you get this beautiful makeover done to your brows. So check you when I'm inside. The beautiful Moy herself. Hey! And we're about to start with our treatment. So you're gonna take us through the whole process?
Yes.
And then
what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to clean your brow. Then after that we're gonna take measurements, because these brows are calculated, they are measured.
Say what?
Yep. Because that's the reason why you hear when you draw your own brows, awalingan. So
so we want perfection all the way.
Well, nothing is symmetrical, but we're gonna try and get them as symmetrical as possible.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you.
That is why we are the brow doctors.
Come on, the best in the game.
Right.
So you use like actual rulers and stuff for measuring.
Yes,
equipment.
with me I use the ruler, the 5 Rand ruler. I'll clean your brow. I'm going to ask you to lie down so that I can get proper measurements. Okay, now for the healing process, then I want you to listen to me and listen to me very carefully. healing process is gonna take 7 days. Yeah? From today on. When you wash your face, you keep away from water. So in other words, you can invest on wipes for the next 7 days. Yeah? So I'm sure on the 3rd day, on the 4th day, you will start peeling. They'll start cracking. Remember, these are cuts.
Incisions, yeah.
So it's like when you've had a cut, yeah? The dead skin must fall off.
Yeah.
New skin is developing,
Yeah.
because your blood is circulating, your body rejuvenates, building up new cells. So obviously that's normal. And when that happens, you're probably like, oh my gosh, my brows are gone. No, it's just the dead skin has fallen. Yes, it's the heal, and it takes 7 days. All of this is going to happen within 7 days. And then after that, you will see that they're going to look like they have disappeared. However, they will resurface. So it takes 4 to 6 weeks for the pigment to completely settle. It will resurface because it's working on your skin. Like for instance, today they're perfect.
Yeah.
Tomorrow they're gonna be yes. Tomorrow they're gonna be more dark.
Okay.
Because yes, like the pigment is deeply settling into the skin, and then as we go, they're gonna shrink also.
Okay.
Right? So when they when they shrink, it's like it's longer.
Yeah.
It slowly but surely shrink as it heals. That is why you may not have them in this size. You may have them in this size. Hence the importance of retouch.
Okay.
Because you can only see this is a perfect job after the retouch. It would have resurfaced. You would have seen okay, the left hand side is exactly the same as the right hand side. And I love your skin. You've got such beautiful skin.
Thank you. Just to go through the difference between microblading and microshading.
Okay, microblading. It's the creation of an illusion of real hair. You use a hand tool.
Okay.
That's where we say it's art. It's very natural because these hair strokes that you're creating, they are an illusion of real hair.
Yeah.
And then micro shading, we use a machine.
Okay.
For sure, it's not around you. We use a machine. It's like more or less like tattoo.
Yeah.
It's more like you've just woken up. When you do your makeup, it's like makeup. But then the difference now, because you use a machine, it lasts longer also than microblading, but also still depends because this is what they like most. If you can bring closer, this gives a more natural look. These hair strokes, can you see?
Yeah,
they give a more natural look. So what we do is we start here with microblading and then we shade it a little bit. Actually, that's what I've done with you, but I can also do it with my hand too. That's how
hectic. Professional.
Yeah. I'm happy you are happy.
No, this is perfection on another level.
That's beautiful.
It's perfection on another level.
And you've got beautiful skin.
Thank you. Hey guys, hello family. It's yet another day out in the beautiful sun. It's actually been nice and warm these days. I'm continuing with the vlog of the microblading story. If you can see right now, it looks like the microblading is, I don't know if maybe it's wearing off or it's sinking into the skin to be more permanent. But if we take a close look at it, can you see those things that are looking like cracks in the microblading, in the eyebrow, sorry. So apparently this is the healing process of it, and the healing process is not the cutest, so I hear. So like I said, that I promised to show you the healing process of it and the entire journey until it's like, you know, proper looking eyebrows. And it is looking still dark, but it's not as thick as what it was. If you remember the very first video when I just done it, this one looks a little bit better. Like the swelling has gone down, and not swelling like it was sore, but it was the swelling just from the immediate procedure that had just happened. So it's gone down and it's looking a little bit more natural, but it is still dark because of the pigment that is still sinking into my skin. So I can see also that it looks a little bit better because I've got foundation on, just light foundation, because I'm just going for a brunch date with my friend. So it's looking much better with makeup on. I know it's I'm still trying to get used to waking up in the morning with these like dark eyebrows. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. I can't wait for it to start looking natural. My goodness. So I'm just stuck in traffic. It's a little bad. Waterfall side, I am meeting up with my friend. Maybe I'll take you guys along with me as I have the lunch date with my friend, and thereafter I'll probably go back home. Okay, check you guys later. Yes, my dad.
Yikes. So there's this part here that was like it was like lifting, so I was like, it's irritating me, so I thought I would lay it down or like just pull it a little bit so that it comes off, and like this entire thing came out. I don't think I'm gonna be in trouble for this with Moy, but oh my goodness, yeah. Suffer for beauty. This is it. My gosh. So I'm about to take a shower. I am off to go sort up my nails at Ubudzi Nails in Ubudzi in Standard Bank Square. Pulukwani. That is my friend Stella. So this is what it's looking like. If you are considering getting microblading, just know that it's not a once-off process. It is, she said about 2 weeks for it to be completely healed, and then within 4 to 6 weeks I go back for a retouch. And this actually made me think of something concerning life on its own. In the end, it's going to be really beautiful. It's going to last because it's permanent brows, you know. And it made me think that in life as well, sometimes the process of what we go through to receive the beautiful ending or to receive the blessing or the gift from God, you know, the process of it can be really, really messy. Sometimes you don't even see the direction. Sometimes you even want to cancel, you know, getting to whatever the blessing that it is that you're asking God for. And at this journey, this part of the journey, like, I don't even want to walk outside right now, but I know what's going on. And because I know what's going on and I know that the end product, it's keeping me going. Like, it's okay, like I'll stay indoors, or it's okay, I'll try cover it up with some brow pencil here and there because I had to go to a meeting just yesterday. But you know, it's just as life is. It's messy. The process is messy, and oftentimes we see the end results of people and we want that, but we don't know what it takes to get that blessing that they have. And just like I've seen people who've got microblading, and I loved it, and that's exactly why I went and did it. But nobody's told me of this journey, so this is why I thought it's so important to document the microblading journey. Number one, so that you guys can see that they don't just stick the eyebrows onto your face and you just look beautiful tomorrow. Well, I mean, there are different ways of getting that done, but if you want to have a more lasting result of the beauty, the aesthetic, you know, microblading is the way to go. Microblading and microshading is the way to go. But the process of it's not it's not like you don't do it yesterday and today you're already looking bomb. There's a process attached to it. And just like life, the process that is attached to our destinies is sometimes messy, sometimes ugly. But because you know what you are pursuing, because you know the end game, you'll stick to it, ugly as it is, uncomfortable as it is. And that's exactly what I'm doing in my microblading journey. So I just thought that I should share that pearl of wisdom, if you found it as wisdom, you know, on what I'm experiencing and how I'm feeling as this process is taking its course on me. It's not looking pretty, it's not looking cute, but listen, when it's done, sugar, I'm gonna wake up flawless. And also, one thing about me, I will always come to this platform in the most authentic version of myself. I will always give you guys content that is honest to who I am. And this is me being intentional about not looking aesthetically pleasing when doing videos and stuff. If I've got makeup on, listen, it's probably because of whatever I had planned on that particular day. But I'm not gonna slap on makeup to come and shoot a YouTube video, especially if it's like the in-between takes of life, you know. And that speaks to authenticity, because I want you guys to feel and to resonate with who I am in my everyday life. And this is who I am. And life is not always smooth. Life is not always perfect, you know, but life is colorful. And color involves dark color. It involves light colors. But the entire kaleidoscope of what you see is just a reflection of who God is. And God is multifaceted in how he loves us. And I think also in how multifaceted God is, and not being one-dimensional. That's exactly how I live my life, and I hope to inspire you to live a life that's colorful as well, and a life that's truly, truly, truly authentic. So that is me, and that is what I'll always bring to this channel. So this is the end of day 7 of the microblading journey, and I will definitely come back with some more. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share the video. Sharp. See you guys soon.